Hadith Sahihbukhari 66, narrated Abu Waqid al-Laythi. While Allah's Messenger ﷺ was sitting in the mosque with some people, 3 men came. 2 of them came in front of Allah's Messenger ﷺ, and the third one went away. The 2 persons kept on standing before Allah's Messenger ﷺ for a while, and then one of them found a place in the circle and sat there, while the others sat behind the gathering, and the third one went away. When Allah's Messenger ﷺ finished his preaching, he said, "Shall I tell you about these 3 persons? One of them betook himself to Allah, so Allah took him into His grace and mercy and accommodated him. The second felt shy from Allah, so Allah sheltered him in His mercy and did not punish him, while the third turned his face from Allah and went away, so Allah turned His face from him likewise." Hadith Sahihbukhari 61, narrated Ibn Umar. Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, "Amongst the trees there is a tree, the leaves of which do not fall, and is like a Muslim. Tell me the name of that tree." Everybody started thinking about the trees of the desert areas, and I thought of the date palm tree but felt shy to answer the others. Then asked, "What is that tree, O Allah's Messenger ﷺ?" He replied, "It is the date palm tree." Subhanallah.